Luigi's sink and drain plunger for bathrooms. Place the large opening over your clogged plug, pump it at 2 times. Slow draining showers and baths are a common problem. The power comes from you pressing down on the bellows when it's over the plug, forcing the trap tear down the plug hole. Made with 100% recycled PVC. When you're done, just spray it with bleach and run it under the tap/shower. If you're clearing a sink or a bath where there is an overflow, block this with a damp cloth before you start to plunge. This stops the air from escaping and makes the process even quicker and easier. Rigid 27023 Model 2002 One-Stop. The Rigid One-Stop wrench features 2 wrenches in a single tool, making plumbing work quick and easy. Provides the exact wrenches you need to install angle stops and compression couplings. Compact design stores smaller wrench inside of the tubular body of the larger angle stop wrench for convenience. Includes a 15/16" open-end wrench, 9/16" open-end wrench and an open-end 12-point box line wrench. Rigid One-Stop wrench is also ideal for straight stops, appliance legs, shower heads, faucet nuts and toilet bowl bolts.